Hello students, in today's class we will learn about prepositions and we will see how they are used in sentences. Now we will read all these sentences and we will see whether the prepositions, the ones that are in capital, are used correctly or not. So let's read the first sentence. The flag is in the astronaut's hand. So over here, since he is holding the flag in his hand, that's why in has been correctly used as a preposition. Second one, the food is on the tray. Now since here the food is kept on the tray and not inside the tray, because for it being inside the tray you will have to open the tray, but that is not possible. So since it is kept on the tray, that's why on has been correctly used. Third, the cat is under the tree. Now when we look at this picture, you can see that the cat has climbed onto the trunk of the tree. So over here, instead of using under, it should have been on the tree, because it being under the tree, it would have been if the cat was standing over here somewhere below the tree, then it would have been under the tree. But since it is on the top of the tree or among the branches, it will be on the tree. Fourth, the gardener is behind the hedge. Now since the gardener is standing behind the hedges and working on the hedges, you can see that behind has been correctly used here. Fifth, the man is standing near the snowman. Now since the man is standing so close to the snowman, that's why near has also been correctly used. Now let's understand the definition of prepositions. In, on, under, all of them show the position of one noun with respect to the other. So the definition of prepositions would be words that show the relation of one noun with the other are called prepositions. So since we have already studied what nouns are, we can understand prepositions usage in terms of nouns. So now let's read the first sentence. The girl is sitting on the carpet. So girl and carpet here are nouns, and to signify the relationship between both these nouns, we are using on. So the girl is sitting on the carpet. Second, the girl is swimming in the pool. So the girl and the pool are the nouns, and since she is swimming inside the pool, that's why in is the preposition that relates both of these. Third, the kitten is playing with the wool. Now kitten and wool are the nouns, and with is the preposition that shows the relationship between the two of them. Fourth, the man is waiting at the bus stop. Now the bus stop and the man are nouns, and since the man is waiting for the bus at the bus stop, at is the preposition that relates the two of them. Since there are a lot of prepositions that can be used, we need to understand which preposition means what, so that you do not get confused on which preposition would be used in a particular situation. So let's go through these prepositions. On. So when on is used, it means that something is placed on the top of something. So since over here the girl is sitting on the sofa or on the couch, on will be the preposition since she is sitting on the top of the couch. Second is under, which means placed below. So in this picture, the boy is sitting under the tree. He is not on the tree. Since he is under the tree, he is placed below the tree. That's why under will be used. The next one is in, which means when something is placed inside of something. So over here in this box, you are putting the money for donation. So the donation money is being put inside of the box. That's why in is used. Near, placed at a very small distance. So over here, this red chili is placed very close to this bottle of red sauce. That's why over here you will use that the red chili is near the bottle. Next one is at, which means placed near something. So over here, so now in this picture you can see that since the two of them are sitting very close to the table and eating their lunch, that's why over here we'll say that they are sitting at the table. And since they are not sitting on the table and they are sitting on probably a chair, that's why for the chair you will say that they are sitting on the chair at the table. The next one is behind, placed at the back of something. So over here you can see that the sun is rising from beyond or behind the hills. So that's why since it's behind or at the back of the hills, you're using the term behind. Beside, placed by the side. So over here the girl and the boy are dancing side by side. So the boy is beside the girl, which is next to the girl or right by her side.